In this video, we shall solve part D, the angle between the planes VST and RSTU. So let's first of all identify the planes VST, that is VST, and RSTU is the base of the pyramid. We want to identify the angle between these two planes. So for us to get the angle between two planes, we will draw two lines, one from the plane VST and another one from the plane STUR. And the two lines are going to meet at the point of intersection of the two planes. The two planes intersect at line ST. So I will draw a perpendicular from V to meet ST at an angle of 90 degrees. I will draw another line from the other plane, which is STUR, to meet the perpendicular, to meet the line ST at an angle of 90 degrees also. The angle between the two planes is the angle between the two lines that I have just drawn, this angle theta. So how do we get that angle theta? We have to draw a triangle, and this triangle is, the height of this triangle will be V. Let's call it O1. Let's call it here Q. Let's call it L, and here let's call it Z. So we have a VLO L O1. So we can simply get O1 because if Pn is 10, then Tu is also 10, which means Lz is also 10, but LO1 is Lz divided by 2, which is 10 divided by 2. So LO1 is 5. But we don't know LV. So we first find LV using from triangle VST, VST. This is where we have VL. Also, ST is 10. From here to there is 10 because it's equal to MN. Then LT will be 5 and this will be 5. VT is also given by the equation, which is also 13. So VT 13. VL squared equals to 13 squared minus 5 squared. That gives us 169 minus 25. VL equals to the square root of 145 is 12. So the angle we want is this angle theta, and we are going to use trigonometric ratio cos, because cos theta is the adjacent side to the angle over the hypotenuse. The adjacent side to the angle is 5. Cos theta equals to 5. The hypotenuse side is 12. So theta will be cos inverse of 5 over 12, and theta angle will be 65.38 degrees. That is the angle between the two planes VST and the plane STUR.